Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you a best free app to convert voice or audio to text for free. Just search for TurboScribe. Click this one. I put this link in the description of the video. Good. Now we have this free option and we can buy it. Let's use free option. For free option every day, you can change 3 audios with the length of 30 minutes to text for free. If you use more, you can buy it. Let's click start transcribing for free. Just click this one. Directly, you log into your account. It is done. Now from here, you can bring your file, browse file. For example, I bring this one, open. This is good. From here, you can select the language. We have many languages, but my audio is in English, so I selected English. You have cheetah, dolphin, whale. I already selected whale. From here, you can click transcribe. We have to wait. Good. Now it is done. Click this 3 dots. Open transcript. You see? Hi everyone, let's create a drop-down list in a very easy way. It directly changes the audio to the text. You can compare with the audio. If you see any mistake, you can correct it. Hi everyone, let's create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. First, if you see any mistake from edit transcript, you can edit. Okay. Also, from new folder, you can create a folder. For example, my files. Create a folder. Good. That's my folder I've just created. Then come back to here, recent files. That's my file. Just click these 3 dots. From here, you can open transcript, export. Even you can export it. You can rename it. You can share with your friends. We can move. Let's move it to my file. Good. You see now this file is in this folder, my files. Now from this 3 dot, open transcript. You can download or export it as a PDF, as a Word doc. Let's download it as a Word document from here. Okay, you see that this one, just open it. Good, enable it. That's the text. Hi everyone, let's create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. You can change it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.